Good evening, my family. We are still busy here, so I'm hungry. I need to cook. So I came here to find something to cook. So I'll be here. I'll be here cooking. I hope you can see me. I'm cooking. Let me put you near me. Oh, I can put you near me so that you can see what I'm doing. You can see what I am doing. Because the phone is on charger. The phone is on charger. So this is what we are going to eat. This is what we are going to eat. Potatoes. I'm trying to look for a good position. I'm trying to look for a good position. Good position to put you while I am cooking, because I see like you are too far. Can you hear me? I think like you are too far. Can you see me? This is what we are going to eat today. Simple. Simple cooking. Can you see what I'm doing or no? Or you are too far? Can you see what I'm doing or you are too far? I can remove the charger. Let me remove the charger. Let me remove the charger and put you near so that you can see. You can see what I'm doing. Look. Okay? You can see now what I'm doing. Yes, that's better. You are near now. This is what I'm doing. I need some water here. This is what I am cooking today. I didn't eat since yesterday. I did eat those wings. So today I didn't eat the whole day. I was being busy doing the work that I told you at the back. It's still there. We're still running it. I think it's going to take 1 week for me to finish it. Because hey, I have to read each and every paper. Each and every paper. So it's so it's so stressful. Let me put some water in the stove. I have to put some water. I am thirsty. I'm thirsty. Very tasty. Me, I use tap water. Me, I use tap water. I never buy water. Maybe when I'm traveling somewhere or when I hear that I'm thirsty. That's why I can buy water, but mostly I don't buy water. I just use tap water. Most of the time, if you see those 2 liters of the milk, I always put them on the freezer and freeze my water and drink it. You see how I'm peeling. You see, these ones I don't throw them away. I'll show you what I'll do them today. I don't throw them away. I don't throw them away. Let me finish this. How are you? How was your day? Me, it's so hectic. I'm still not well. Not in my body, but in my brain. Yeah. In my brain, so it's too much for me. I'm trying to keep myself busy so that it won't disturb me much. I don't want my blood pressure to go high. Today I didn't go out. Yesterday I did. Today I didn't go out. So trying to rest so that the blood pressure won't be too high. This is what we are eating. These ones I can eat them for 2 days, today and tomorrow. For 2 days. I can eat them for 2 days, these ones. So I want to show you what I did this. I don't throw them away. You see what I'm doing? I don't throw them away. I have some there in the fridge. These ones, I don't throw them away. I put them in the oven and roast them and eat with any sauce that I have, any ketchup or sauce, anything that I have. I always sprinkle the garlic on it. Sprinkle the garlic. These ones I'm putting in the fridge. Sorry, I left you alone. I'm coming. This knife is dangerous. I don't trust it. It's a good one, but I don't trust it. I don't trust it at all. I told you in another video, I don't throw, there's some towels that I want. Look at this one. To clean the stove. And all the surfaces. I bleached them yesterday, so I'm washing them today. I did put the bleach yesterday. And so, I did put the bleach yesterday. So today, look what it looks like. But I still use it on the surface. I used to buy these ones, but look, it end up like this, like I don't know, like something else. So I don't like to use these now. I use this one. They are easy. They are very easy. let me put them there. Let me put them here at the head. I put them on the central heating. Done with this. I still need some more water. Now we are coming here. I hope I'm not going to drop you. Can you see? I hope I'm not going to drop you there, so that you can see what I'm doing, okay? Can you see what I'm doing now? This one is a board. You can see I have this. This one is a board. So I can use it. I'm coming. I need to buy more salt. Look, there's no salt. I have to buy some. This is chili. I'm putting 2 chilies. Okay, it's me here, still cooking. I did put some, I'm putting some chilies here. What do you call this? It's not oranges, what do you call them? What do you call them? What do you call them? Do you know what? These ones, you can dry them. If you dry them and put in you can dry them and put in, when you dry them and you put in blender the powder, when you are making cakes you can use it. Nice flavor. These ones, nice flavor for the cake. Look, you, let's try them. It's nice. 24 minutes. Not yet. There are two. I need to lift them to dry. Here we go. Today we have to do this. Oh my God. This is what we need to do today. You see that? since morning. I did rest though. Where's my towels there? I did rest. I need to charge this. Let me charge this. So I wanted to tell you that before it's 27, before I throw these papers, I have to read every paper. You see, every paper like this, and take another one like this, reading, and another one like this, reading. This one like this. Yes, like this, read and put it together. When I put together, I have to put in a plastic so that in those folders, so that they can stay there. Some are here. So here. So this is the left one. This is the leftover. This is the one that yesterday, and these ones I already packed it, and these ones they are already on the folders, and they are under the table there. So this is what I'm doing. I wanted to show you my final touch on the food, but I know that my minutes won't or I can start another live stream, because this one is going to cut any time soon. So I'll do the other part in the next live stream. Or what can we do? Tell me, family, what can we do? You want to see the end of this? Because I'm going to, the potatoes and the 2 wings and the vegetables. These are vegetables, and the 2 wings and the potatoes, and these are onions and chili. I don't want to put tomatoes because I don't like tomatoes though. So I prefer with